7 acres. 4 bedrooms, 5th bedroom in basement, 2.5 baths. Nearly 3,000 square feet, plus a full finished basement. Home features many updates throughout. Shattered glass countertops with stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. First floor master suite, master bath with separate jetted tub and shower, and first floor laundry. Burnt wood finished basement with penny top bar and large bedroom that adds almost 1,500 more square feet, is a must-see. Huge cost-saving dual home heating system, wood furnace propane combo, forced air, along with central air. With nearly 4 of the 7 acres being wooded land that backs up to farmland, this is a nature lover's and hunter's paradise. You can sit on your covered front porch that overlooks your private pond or relax on your back deck while the kids swim in the pool. This home is large enough for your family while keeping the feeling of a warm home. Just reduced, call today, move tomorrow.